Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to view all shorts from a channel on YouTube. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open YouTube. And search your liked shorts.
Behind me is a Mercedes-Benz.
And click on left corner avatar profile or name profile. Click on. And home, all long videos, this channel, and click on shorts, this all shorts channel, and latest, popular, oldest. Right, and click on popular, and click on playlist, all playlists, this channel, this community. Alright, click on shorts, latest, scroll down, scroll up, and that's all.